Where Duggan does the sucking, Chief Craig blows. The Detroit police, now they're a bunch of hoes. We're the murder capital, and that's a fact. Detroit City Council, they don't know how to act. They extort all the money from the young and the old, and they'll shoot you dead if you don't do as you're told. Stop, question, and frisk are in effect so they can run your pockets, but what else do you expect? They rob the dope dealers at gunpoint, and if you don't have their money, they'll throw you in the joint. We live in Detroit, but try not to brag, cause if you slip up, you'll get stuffed in a bag. There's a lot of people who only know theft. They will rob you blind and take what you have left. So many struggling just to get ahead, but the real challenge is not to wind up dead. Keep visiting the city, bring money and tools. If you think it's getting better, join the rest of the fools. They're turning out degenerates with their common core, which is leaving the millennials to be dealers and whores. For decades now, Detroit has been a joke, so why not come down here for some real smoke? We'll leave you twisted, that's for sure, because most drugs here are next to a pure. Don't get assaulted, robbed, shot, or stabbed. Instead of 911, we call Metro Cab. If you want to commit a crime, come down here, where our children and our elders all live in fear. This sounds far-fetched, but it's for real, because our politicians only pillage and steal. With the no-snitch policy, you don't take note. When election rolls around, just bend over and vote.